Good morning. This is our day one in Whistler, and we're here at the RZR Journey with Adventure Group. We're doing a four-seater Polaris RZR today. This thing is amazing. This thing's the cost of like my car. Suspension travel, check that out. It looks like we have some pretty good people with us today as far as drivers and stuff goes, so I think we'll be doing a pretty good speed. Coming over to here to Papa and Rowan now. Hi Papa, hi Rowan. Is your seat good, Papa? Do you want to slide back or forward or anything? Back seat of this thing, check this out. So I'm gonna be spending my time right away.
Buddy, wow!
Well, we're at our first stop here. I'm going to show you where. There we go. You can see the Green River down below. That goes to the big river connected to the lake Whistler. It's a bunch of vlogging area. And there's all of our RZRs.
I'm a big boy! Oh! Oh, this is droning.
This is our second stop. There's our RZRs. The last leg of our journey was like crazy bumpy, as you can see in the vid. Like I was bouncing all over the place, like very comfortable, but holy jeez, I wasn't ever bumpy. So now edge, we got some cool little lookouts. You can see off in the distance some logging, new growth. Blackcomb Mountain. There's Papa. There's Rowan.
Up a crazy steep hill right now. Oh my god! Holy crazy! Woo! We're still climbing the hill. It's so bumpy I can't keep the camera still.
just got back from our journey. Papa, how did you like it?
Fantastic.
Rowan, was it for you? That's a 12-year-old reaction if I've ever had one. It was awesome. We were bouncing all around. This machine held up amazing. It doesn't even feel like any of the bumps. It's smoother than a car on a bumpy parking lot.